Hi, I'm Dr. Mark McCawley, and today I'm going to answer a few questions about what we can do to help out implants in particular. So, a lot of people ask, once my implant starts going bad, is there anything I can do to save it? Well, I'm going to show you some cases where we were able to actually reverse a lot of that damage that occurred. So, I'm going to show some cases where this is an implant that was placed and, well, it was placed well enough, it just got infected. And the bone level went from here all the way down to nearly the tip of that implant there. So, we don't like seeing deep pockets. We were getting very, very deep pockets there, which indicates the amount of bone loss, and it's considerable. It's probably 80% bone loss on this implant. Well, we treated it, and well, we turned that implant around. We were able to regenerate a whole bunch of that bone, get those pockets significantly better there. So that's something that we're actually able to do. We were actually able to rehabilitate that implant, make it much, much healthier, much more cleansable for this person, so that way they can hang on to it for the foreseeable future. It's something they still have to keep clean, but as long as they keep it clean, it's something they can keep for a very long time. So if you have any implants and you notice a little bit of irritation or a little bit of pus or inflammation around those implants, even some bad taste coming from that, it could be peri-implantitis, which is infection around implants. So it would be good to come in, get checked out, because we can actually help you out a huge amount too. Thank you very much and have a great day.